I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to see what apps you've downloaded from the Android Google Play Store using your Android device. Step 1. Tap to open the Play Store app on your Android device. You'll land on your Google Play Store home screen. Step 2. Tap your profile icon on this screen. A menu pops up. Step 3. Navigate to the More from Google Play section and then tap Manage Apps and Device. The associated screen opens. Step 4. Tap to select the Manage tab at the top of this screen. By default, you'll see all of the apps that are currently installed on this specific Android device. You can see all of the apps you've ever downloaded to an Android device that aren't installed on your current device by tapping this device or installed to open a menu and then tapping Not Installed in this menu. You'll see all of the apps you've ever downloaded from the Google Play Store that aren't installed on this specific Android device. And if you see apps in this list that you want to reinstall on your current Android device, you can do that by tapping to place a check mark in the box associated with any apps you want to reinstall and then tapping the download arrow icon on this screen. Those apps will be reinstalled on your current Android device immediately. And finally, if you have apps in your uninstalled list that you don't ever want anyone else to see, you can easily remove them. All you have to do is select any apps you want to remove and then tap the delete icon on this screen. A window pops up asking if you're sure you want to remove these apps and letting you know that removed apps will no longer appear in this list but can be installed again at any time from the Google Play Store. Tap Remove. You'll see a message letting you know that those apps have been removed. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.